Oh, God, the knife. Ooh. I was gonna grab it. I was just gonna grab it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Spaghettios.
No, let Daddy do. You're such a good helper.
Papa. Papa.
Got it.
You're such a good helper, Kaden.
Uh-oh. Spaghettios. Here, Mom.
Oh, well, thank you. That's a good design. We'll have to remember that one, hey?
Mom.
Quick and easy, yeah.
Mom.
And different. Quick, easy, and different.
Uh-oh. Hey, Mommy.
Oh, well, thank you. No, don't.
Oh, me. Owie.
What's in there? Is there pumpkin brains?
Stop.
Yeah, it's stuck now.
Daddy. Stop. Stop. Hurry. Oh, Mommy. Mommy, that's too loud.
I don't think you can lift this one. Too
Oh,
heavy.
Too loud.
Too heavy.
Mommy. Dada. I'm stuck.
It's stuck.
Hurry. Hurry.
Is it too heavy?
Hurry.
Look at Daddy's new pumpkin. Look at that one.
Whoa.
Is that Tinkerbell?
Yeah. Dead Tinkerbell.
Do you see? Don't do it. Don't.
Or the good old mom's way of doing it?
You want up? You do. Oh, well, thank you.
Ooh.